Listen, if you're still using AI to just write stuff, you're doing it wrong. You're trapped in the generic content grave, and it's crowded in there. Today, we're breaking out. I'm showing you the AI content arbitrage. The goal? Taking raw, messy data and turning it into high-conversion narratives that actually sound, well, human. The proof is in the synthesis. Stop prompting. Start engineering. Let's go. Here is the reality. Most people prompt once and pray. That's an amateur move. We use the multi-pass method, recursive refinement. Don't just ask for a draft. You need one agent to write, a second to audit that voice, and a third to rip it apart for SEO. If you aren't auditing your AI at least thrice, you aren't creating content. You're creating noise. This is the gold standard right here, the semantic bridge. Look at this. You have to feed the machine what it can't find on the internet. Your internal data, your weird customer quotes, your actual case studies. When you bridge your uncopyable assets with silicon logic, that's when the sparks fly. That's how you become unreplicable. Step 1. The bedrock. Before you ask for a single word of copy, you prime the machine. I'm talking blue-collar data work. Upload the CSVs, feed it the pain points. If the machine doesn't know what keeps your customer awake at 3 a.m., it's just guessing, and guessing is expensive. Step 2. Architect the voice. And please, for the love of tech, stop using words like professional or friendly. Those are empty calories. We build a proprietary persona blueprint. We banish the AI-isms. If I see the phrase, "in today's fast-paced world," one more time, I'm going to lose it. Define the intent, set the threshold, own the vibe. Step 3. The skeleton. Look at this blueprint. If the logic of your post doesn't sell, the fluff won't save it. We use AI to build the structural flow first. H1, subheadlines, transitions. If the bones are weak, the body falls over. Logic over fluff, always. Step 4. The matrix. Why write one hook when you can have 100? We're talking high-volume iteration. Fear, gain, logic, social proof. We let the AI vary the angle of attack across dozens of variants in 10 seconds. We don't guess what works. We iterate until we find what works. Step 5. The overlay. Now we weave in the visibility. We're talking LSI keywords, natural latent semantic indexing. It shouldn't feel like SEO. It should feel like a conversation that the algorithm just happens to love. Natural weaving, no breaking the flow. Step 6. The final polish. This is where you come in. The robotic hands do the carving, but you provide the soul. Your job title just changed. You're not a writer anymore. You're the editor-in-chief. Vibe check the output, fact check the data, give it that final 10% that only a human heart can provide. But wait, we're only half done. You've got the words, you've got the narrative. Now you need the visual engine to drive it home. The copy is the soul, but the video, the imagery, that's the body. Next time, we're diving into the visual engine, turning these scripts into cinematic reality. The job isn't done yet. Are you coming?